We shall begin. This is how to have engaging, persuasive conversations during an open house. And I'm going to be covering four elements. One is the mindset of people entering, what you should be thinking about or having in your mind. Two is the greeting. When you greet somebody, what you can do to start the rapport, the trust, and also to establish yourself as an authority. And then three, if you're able to walk through the home with them, if there's only a few people, what you should say or what you can say that will make it more engaging and begin to position you as their agent if they need help. And then four would be is at the end, when they're leaving, if you don't have a chance, or maybe you did, maybe you would show them a few rooms. However, when they're leaving, what you can do to get the contact information or for them to ask you for help, and a brief conversation at the end. So let me start off with the mindset. And so there are a few elements in the mindset. One is you want the mindset of either walking into a friend of yours, their home, and you're the host. Most agents have the mindset of walk in, come into my showroom. Let me show you all the features and benefits of this home, which then will be projected. So if you have that mindset of come on in and projecting warmth that you're the host and this is the home that you want to show off, it projects a different feeling. So have that mindset of you're the host, not the salesperson. And second is you're